Your services are green, your latency is low. By every technical metric you track, the system is perfect, but there's something wrong here. Your revenue is tanking. Your most valuable customers are dropping off, and your raw telemetry can't tell you why. This is the visibility gap. You have the telemetry, but you don't have the business context. I'm Zack from New Relic. Today I'm going to show you how to close that gap in seconds using New Relic Lens without moving a single row of data out of your warehouse. Usually, solving this is a nightmare. Your performance data lives in New Relic, and your customer data lives in Snowflake or a BigQuery instance. To correlate them, you either have to pay ingestion fees to move that data, or play spreadsheet gymnastics during an incident. Look at this dashboard for our front-end service. We see active sessions with performance risks from errors, but is it a bot? Or is it our biggest enterprise client trying to pay their bills and becoming a churn risk? If we can't answer that, we don't know if this is a P3 or a P0 incident. Enter New Relic Lens. It's a federated query engine letting you treat your external databases like Snowflake, Postgres, and AWS CloudWatch as if they were just another table inside New Relic. You don't need to set up data exports into the New Relic database, just build a connection and start querying. Setting it up is a one-time task. You define the connection and Lens maps the schema. No ETL pipelines and no data duplication. Just drop in your read-only credentials and Lens discovers your tables and columns automatically. You're ready to query in under 60 seconds. Now watch the SQL. In this notebook, I'm joining live New Relic telemetry directly with that remote opportunity matrix we just connected. In one query, I'm not just seeing frustration signals. I'm seeing exactly which high-value customers are impacted and who their success manager is. By grouping these results by customer cohort, the data immediately surfaces a massive risk to our institutional accounts. Instead of waiting for a P0 alert or an urgent Slack message from sales, I can hand off this precise list to the account teams for proactive support while we push the front-end fix. We've turned a blind spot into a coordinated response. So to recap, New Relic Lens is more than just a new UI. It's an observability multiplier for your entire stack. First, Federated Querying removes the data tax. You stop wasting time and budget on ETL pipelines and start querying your warehouses in place. Second, you've moved to business-aware triage. When the next incident hits, you aren't just looking at broken microservices. You're looking at the actual customers and revenue at risk. And finally, through collaborative analysis, those insights don't die in your terminal. They live in notebooks that your product and sales teams can actually use. The real trick here isn't just joining two tables. It's that you've officially closed the visibility gap. You're no longer just the person who keeps the lights on. You're the person who can tell the business exactly why they're staying on. If you want to close your own visibility gap, check the link in the description to get started with Lens. I'll see you in the next video.